How to earn $20 in 20 minutes with any topic, niche or hobby. You can earn $20 in 20 minutes with this new secret club with viral growth. If you've been looking for a simple, lucrative way to earn extra income from your books, videos, articles, blog posts, licensed content, or even just by sharing your random thoughts, then listen up. This is a brand new way for you to earn $20 or more in as little as 20 minutes. You don't have to have any experience, have a list, be a celebrity or even sell anything, you just have to be yourself. This is all made possible by a brand new platform, and over the last few weeks I've become totally obsessed with it. I am not exaggerating when I say that I've spent day and night by posting on this platform, because each post I make is a mini income stream. Every time I post I earn anywhere from a few pennies to $20 or more, just by posting interesting, unique content. You probably already have a trove of content sitting on your hard drive that you can use to profit. For example, if you have created products that have never sold. If you have written books for Kindle or Create Space. If you have produced videos for YouTube. If you have ideas you've never executed. If you have stories you've never told. If you have experiences you can share with the world. If you have photographs from places you've been. If you have reviews you've written about products. If you like to follow the news and share your view about it. Or, if you just want to get paid to share your opinion on virtually any topic under the sun. You can earn $20, or even far more, from this rapidly growing community that pays you to post your unique content. Over 250,000 people have joined already, and it's growing even faster by the day. What's even more amazing is that it's absolutely, completely free to join. If you've been having trouble earning money online, this is what you've been looking for, because even posts with just one single image inside can earn not just $20, but literally $100, even $1 per post. With this method you will get instant access to the secret club we're using to discover the most lucrative topics for earning the most profit, unlock secret tips and tools for earning more from the platform, see real examples of top earning posts and how to get boosted. You need to use this platform now. How to earn $20 in 20 minutes with any topic, niche or hobby. 100% free download, step-by-step PDF instructions. Click the link in description for further details.